Hi guys, so in this video we're going to talk about pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market, that is 19th of October, and the day will be Wednesday. So Wednesday market, obviously it will be almost 70% sideways, because the premiums will decay both sides, in PE as well as in both the premiums will decay, and Wednesday market is a very good advantage for sellers. So let's discuss for 19th of October, and the day will be Monday. So before discussing pre-market analysis for tomorrow, let's have a look of the market today. So in yesterday's video, we have already discussed that if Bank Nifty open a gap up, a very good gap up, then the market might be volatile. So exactly as predicted, the market has opened gap up, and it made a volatile move. It had a movement of about 100 to 150 points, but yeah, the market was totally volatile and the lower entry. So here is the area I have sent you for scalping. So the reason behind the trade for scalping was, uh, this is a pattern. So you can see a pattern here. Yeah, this was the pattern, and this pattern is known as a bullish flag. So you can I just sent entry from here, stop loss below this, and my target was 40,450. So yeah, I have sent this in Telegram. I'll show you in Telegram. So yeah, say 40,350 is the target for scalpers. So this was the trade which I have sent in this Telegram group, Community Traders. So if anybody is interested to join in this group, you can just click on the link below the description, and you can join this group and avail the tips. Sometimes we send stock tips, sometimes we send market analysis, how will be the market, and if you want to discuss anything, you can join in this discussion group, and you can avail your knowledge from here. So now let's have a look for the next market, that is for 19th of October. So yeah, let's have a look on Nifty 50 first. So if Nifty 50, let's assume that if Nifty 50 opens flat, and if it cross 17,550 from here, let's say it opens like 17,500, and if it cross above this like 17,550 in 5 minutes, if it gives a closing above 17,550, then we can target for 100 points by keeping 30 to 35 rupees, 30 to 35 points is a stop loss below this. And let's assume if Nifty opens flat, and if it crosses below 17,420, that's below this swing. If anything crosses below this swing in 5 minutes closing time, in 5 minute time frame, if it closes below 17,420, you can start creating a position in sell side. So in sell side, I don't prefer that much, but you can just start selling with half quantity, and below 17,300, 320 or 350, so you can start adding full quantity, because below this will get a good momentum in various side. So let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up like 17,600 and 1650, the trading range will be 17,650, and the below support will be 17,500. So in this, the market is expected to trade between this range if it opens gap up, because tomorrow the premium will decay very fast, and moreover tomorrow is Wednesday, so the next day after tomorrow is Thursday, and that will be an expiry. So let's assume if market stays sideways tomorrow, then there will be a good momentum day after tomorrow. So let's hope for the market to stay sideways. Let's hope for the market to take a pause over here. Now let's discuss for Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, the same thing in Bank Nifty. It was a sideways to volatile market. So yeah, okay, you can see a trend line here, and the trend line got break in the second session, afternoon session. So how to analyze the market? How to analyze the start of Nifty Bank? So if Nifty Bank opens flat, and if it crosses about 14,450, and if it gives a proper closing of 5 minutes. So for scalpers, 5 minutes is the best time frame. And for intraday traders, like let's say if you want to capture like 50 minimum, like 50 points, 100 points, 150 points. So starting 100 points, if you want to capture like 100 points, then you have to wait for 15 minutes time frame, because the bigger the time frame, I've already told you that the bigger the time frame, the more accuracy you will get, and the less threat you will get. So if it closes about 15 minutes or 5 minutes, then you can target a bullish momentum of like 400, 350 to 400 points in the upside. So let's say if it opens flat and if it starts going below 14,200 or 14,150, we are going to sell with half. Anything opens flat, and if it closes above, if it gives a close above 14,450, you can start uh, for a bullish momentum just by keeping with 50 to 60 stop loss, and you can target for 300 to 350 points. So let's assume if Nifty Bank opens a big gap of like 40,700, 40,800, the market will be volatile again. The best trade will be if the market opens flat, and if it crosses about 14,400, 40,450, you can have a good momentum by keeping a stop loss of 60 to 70 rupees. So let's assume if Nifty Bank opens a big gap down, like below 40,000. So below 40,000, we are going to sell. We are going to sell with aggressive quantity, like we are going to sell full quantity. So below 40,000, if anything starts below 40,000, we are going to trade. We are going to do aggressive selling, because from here the market is very bearish for me. So the best trade will be if it opens gap up, if it opens flat, and if it closes above 40,450, we are going to target for a big momentum upside. And if it opens gap down, like let's say below 40,000, then we are going to start selling aggressively. So this is how we are going to trade for the next day. We are going to analyze for the next day. So if any of you want to join this Telegram group and avail the tips, like we don't tell you exact tips like where to enter and where to exit, but we tell you directions of the market. So if anybody want to avail knowledge from stock market, you can just click on the link below the description and you can join this group. So if this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon so that whenever new videos gets uploaded, you will be the first one to watch the video. So thank you so much.